guys, welcome to my new channel, Strictly F34. This video is just the first of many where I'm just going to document some of the things I do to my 2016 BMW 328i GT. When you first get this GT badge, it's going to come with this really crappy adhesive. I'm just going to take that off. I already did it to this one right here, so that's what it's going to end up with. And I'm going to be replacing it with this Gorilla double-sided mounting tape. I tried to find 3M tape, but they didn't really have it at my Lowe's, but I think this should work just fine. So let's start taking this old adhesive off and start getting it prepped for the new adhesive tape. So once you're done putting the new adhesive on, it should look somewhat like this. It is better to cut the tape with a straight edge, but if you're like me and you're not using a straight edge, and then you're likely going to scrape off some of the paint from this badge. If that happens, I just used a permanent marker and just drew over a little bit. Since this is going to be on the car, and usually people are going to look at it from far away, they're not going to, unless they're up close, they're not really going to notice it. But yeah, let's go outside and get the old badge off and put this on. Okay, so now that we're outside, I do want to just say something that you may need. And that is painter's tape, and this is just really to outline the old badge, so you know exactly where the new badge goes once you take off the old badge. Also, something that you may need is some sort of like, I guess, either string or floss, and that's just to cut off the adhesive that's on the back of the old badge. So something else you may need that's pretty important is a heat gun. I don't really need it right now because I live in Tennessee, so it's actually already pretty warm. But really the heat gun is just to soften the adhesive that's already on the old badge. So we'll just start taking off the old badge. so once the old badge is taken off, you are going to need to clean off this old adhesive. Really, there are a bunch of ways you can get it off, but once you have it off, it's good to clean the surface with alcohol. Okay, so I'm done taking all the adhesive off. Really, all I used was some brake cleaner and warm soapy water to finish it off with. You want to go over it with some alcohol. That's just to pretty much clean the area further before you actually put the new badge on. So like I said, I'm just cleaning the area again, but this time with some alcohol. That's really going to prep the area before the new badge goes on. Once you're done with that, just let it dry, and then we can start putting the badge on. Okay, so here's the part that comes in where it may be useful to have this border of tape that you made from the other badge, because all you have to do is place the new badge right along the border of the tape where the old badge was, so you don't really have any inconsistencies with where the new badge goes. Now you're just going to hold firmly, maybe about 20 seconds or so. You may not even have to hold on that long because this tape is pretty tough. All right. Now for the other part of the badge. And there you have it, new badge is on. So I'm just gonna clean this up real quick and give you a closer look of what it actually looks like. So this was me replacing the BMW GT badge. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, let me know down in the comments what I could do differently. But yeah, see ya.